Hello guys! Get ready with me! Ayan na naman siya at aalis na naman ang babae. May lakad na naman siya. Alam mo kasi te, kahapon pang nangangati ang mga talampakan ko na para bang sinasabing, gumala ka! Tapos hadad lang pala no, kaya buni. Anywho, today is a very good day kasi I woke up in a very good news. So, I'm in a very good mood today. And let me just say this guys. So, today is my last day as your unemployed auntie because tomorrow is the first day of my training. Yes! Diba? Parang eksaktong 2 weeks na pahinga. Tapos, sabak na ulit sa trabaho. And, it's a promotion! But guys, it does not end there kasi may training pa. So, kailangan ko pang ipasa ang training. Pero, pag napasa ko yon, it's very perfect kasi hindi na ako agent. Yes! QA na si ate mo. Ulit. QA ulit. So, it's a promotion. Pero sana mapasa ko ang training. Anyway, I'm just really happy today kasi ang ganda ng gising ko. Like, literally nagising ako sa text. Tapos ang sabi, your training will start tomorrow. Ganyan, 10 a.m. Ganyan, di ba? Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you talaga. So today, as a celebration, magsha-shopping ang auntie nyo. Taray shopping na para bang may ipon. No. Actually guys, hindi talaga siya shopping, yung tipong magwawaldas ako ng salapite. Hindi, never in my life did I do that. Anyway guys, mag-SM lang naman ako. Hindi na para magwaldas ng pera ate. Ang kuripot ko kaya no. Hello? So actually, mag-claim lang talaga ako ng GC, gift certificate. So I have this certificate here. Thank you so much Bakas. And this is worth, tada! Tumataginting. So, tingnan natin kung saan natin ito mawawaldas. According here, pwede siyang gamitin sa Watsons. So, magwa-Watsons tayo. I'm not sure if mauubos ko siya sa Watson. May gusto akong bilhin sa Watson eh. Like a product na sa Watson mo lang siya mabibili. So, we'll go there and buy it. Anyways, guys, I'm almost done. So, hindi na ako cluster lashes. Magmamascara na lang ako. So, gagamitin ko tong Sky High Mascara from Tanako. I'm not sure if Tanako or Tanako. Basta yun na yun. Tapos, lastly, lipstick. As always, the OG EB Matte Coastal New York. Kahit hindi siya mag-match sa foundation at saka sa eyeshadow. And then, I'll just finish it with the JMCY Fixing Spray. Kahit uuwi din ako, kahit mag-SM lang ako sa sleep, mag-fixing spray pa rin talaga ang babae. Anyways guys, so this is my finished look. And mag-base lang ako. I'll be right back. And this is the fit ng babae. Tapos, susutin ko lang ito para matakpan ng aking braso. So, ganyan siya. Yan. And then I'll just keep my hair na ganyan. Then this is my bag. So, ganyan siya. Tapos, ang aking sandals na ito. Ayan, so this is it guys. And I have to go. So, bye!